Hi, I'm Jess from Madden Crafts, and let's make a custom sweatshirt using vinyl in the Expressions Vinyl October Mystery Box. For my sweatshirt, I used glitter gold confetti iron-on and Easy Weed electric olive HTV. You'll want to refer to the cheat sheet that comes in the mystery box for information about cut settings, pressing temperature and time, whether it's a warm or cool peel, and whether or not you can layer the vinyl. I'm using the Grow in Your Own Way SVG that comes as part of the SVG package with the October Mystery Box. Instead of creating a full design on the front of my sweatshirt with this SVG, I wanted to create a pocket design. Pocket designs on adult shirts are generally about 4 inches by 4 inches. So I resized this SVG so that the longer of the two sides was 4 inches exactly. I designed this SVG so it could be cut out of 3 different kinds of vinyl, but for my project, I'm only going to be using 2. I want to ungroup the 3 layers of the design and to weld together the tops and the bottoms of the mushrooms so they all cut out of the same type of vinyl. Now I can cut the mushrooms out of the glitter gold HTV and the lettering out of the olive electric HTV. You can cut these 2 mats using your cutting machine. Just make sure to mirror the design. It's not as crucial with the mushroom layer, but you absolutely have to mirror the lettering layer or it will come out backwards and you will be sad. When you are positioning a pocket design on a shirt, you want to draw an imaginary line down from the corner of the neck hole and from about the armpit area. Where those 2 lines intersect should be the center of your pocket design. So I'm positioning my olive electric HTV so that it is centered on the intersection of those 2 lines. I placed my cut and weeded electric HTV in position, and then I ironed it on using the settings in the cheat sheet. I used a pressing cloth when I was doing this layer. That is not necessary at all. I'm so used to doing that from past experience, but you don't have to do that with the electric HTV or any of the HTVs in the October mystery box. The electric HTV is a warm peel vinyl, so as soon as the carrier sheet is cool enough to touch, you can peel that away, but don't get rid of that piece of plastic. We're going to be using it in just a minute. I positioned the glitter HTV mushrooms in the center of the lettering, and then I placed that carrier sheet that I saved back on top of the lettering to protect it from my heat press. Now I pressed the design according to the heat settings for that glitter HTV. The glitter HTV is also a warm peel vinyl, so as soon as you can touch that carrier sheet without burning your fingers, remove both of them to reveal your beautiful sweatshirt design. I really like the 2 different finishes of the vinyls in this project. The electric HTV has a metallic finish, while the glitter has a very chunky, bold glitter look. These vinyls look great under my studio lights, but they really shine in daylight. Take this shirt outside and the glitter catches the sunlight.